Hey guys, so a few weeks ago I got an email from KILLSTAR asking if I wanted some of their things to show you guys, and I'm not even joking. KILLSTAR has been one of my favourite companies since I was like 12 or 13. I have been buying their stuff for years. The top that I'm wearing today is literally KILLSTAR, and it wasn't even planned. It was just that this is what I was wearing today and I ended up filming this today. This little ghost in the background that everyone asks me about, he is KILLSTAR. I love their stuff, so of course I said yes, and I've got some really cute things to show you. So these are the little cards that came on the top. So we've just got a little normal KILLSTAR one saying that you can download the app, and then we've got two of these collection ones. So at the minute they have a Wednesday collection. It says the rapture can't come soon enough, and we've got a little Carrie one as well, which says Carrie White burns in hell, Carrie for prom queen. So they are just some of the little collections that they're doing at the minute, but they do like clothing, they do homeware, they do shoes, bags, purses, belts, like accessories, jewelry, even makeup now as well. And literally I was so excited that they asked if I wanted anything, so this is amazing. I'm just going to get started and show you what I've got. I will put all of the information down below for them in case you want to check them out, and put like the links to what I got and everything, and I will show you things, and then I will try them on at the end and show you what they look like on as well. So the first thing I have, and probably the only non-clothing item I think, is this haunted homeware Ouija board. So it says it's called a wooden spirit board and planchette, and trust me when I tell you that this is beautiful. I have opened everything because I was so excited and like honoured that they asked if I wanted things, so of course I've looked at everything already. And this is so pretty. So I did try and wrap it back up how it came, which is like this in tissue paper, and the price for this one is $59.99, so quite expensive. It is definitely on the pricier side, but it's so pretty that I feel like you'll be able to tell why it's so expensive. So this is the planchette. It's really thick, proper wood. It smells so strongly of whatever wood this is. I don't know what wood it's made of, but it says Haunted Homeware KILLSTAR on the back, and obviously we have our little glass part in the middle that you like read out of. Literally amazing. It's like burnt in there or etched in there, whatever you call it. It's just so pretty. So that is the planchette, and then this is what the board itself looks like. Again, super dark, really amazing quality wood. It's got little bats at the top, a little demon, skulls, all the traditional like alphabet, yes, no, goodbye, numbers. I just absolutely love it. The one thing I would say is if you are going to use this genuinely as a Ouija board, you would probably have to put little like beads or something on the bottom so that it slides easier, because I personally wouldn't want to scratch this, but as a decoration or whatever, this is so pretty. So that is my first KILLSTAR item, this Ouija board. And then everything else is a clothing kind of thing. So the first one is this, which is the Rugged Night scarf. Now I've got to say, I think this is probably one of my favourite things that I got. I absolutely love it. It's just a huge, really fluffy, thick scarf. It's super long. I don't know if you're really going to be able to tell right now, but I will show it you after properly. The fluff on it is like crimped. It's a couple of inches long, so it's super like shaggy. This was $27.99. Really cute little labels as always, and I just love this. I think it's so like snuggly and amazing. I wish they put like at the ends of it little pockets in, so that when it was on you could like put your hands in the little pockets. That would have been really cute. But I am definitely gonna wear this so much. So that is my little scarf. Then next I got these. I haven't tried these on yet. These are called the Arachno Rest Joggers. I got them in a size large. I do usually get KILLSTAR in a medium, but I got a large because I wanted them to be quite like baggy and comfy. So these are just velvety joggers. They've got elastic at the bottom and elastic at the top, and they have like an imprint of cobwebs all over them. It's not super obvious. It is very like delicate, and obviously like you can see it's the same color and everything, so you do have to look quite closely at them or be in the light to see them. But I think they are so pretty. I actually don't even know how the cobwebs are on there. It's not embroidered or anything. It's as if the velvet is like shorter in those areas somehow. I have no idea how they do that, but yeah, that is the joggers. Like I said, super soft. I will show you what they look like on in a minute. Then next I got a little like crop jumper. This is called the Winter Knit Spirit Sweater, and this one was $47.99. I think I forgot to put the price on the joggers. They were $49.99, just in case anyone was wondering. So this is what this looks like. Again, I got them in a large because I wanted them to be like big and baggy and stuff. So this is like a really fluffy, super stretchy material. The arms are huge, which I love. They kind of come really far down, and it is cropped. I know that's hard to see right now, but it's got an embroidered pentacle on there. So kind of a bit like a floral sort of pentacle, I would say. Again, not super obvious and in your face or anything. Very like discreet and delicate and spooky. But this is so soft. I wish you could feel how like just squidgy this is. It's amazing. So that is a little crop sweater. And then last but not least, I got one of the things that I've wanted for so long, and that is the Alchemy Aviator jacket. This is $179.99, so it is quite expensive, but I've had some of their jackets before and I've had them for years and they still are amazing now. So really good quality. It's like a faux leather and faux fur kind of thing. So the body part on it is this really soft fur, and then it's got a longer fluffy collar part, and then the arms are, I don't even really know what you would call that, but it is like a faux leather kind of thing, and it's got a shinier bit on the pockets, and then it's got little buckles and fluffy little wrists. The only thing I would say about this is the wrist part is very skinny. Again, this is a large and this is really tight on me, so if you are going to get this, I probably might size up in this. But yeah, that is everything that I got from KILLSTAR, so I will quickly show you what it all looks like on. So this is the scarf. Like I said, really fluffy. You could either just put it around your neck like this if you wanted to with a coat. I think that's probably how I will use it the most. Or you could wrap it around your neck if you wanted to, however you wear a scarf usually. It is quite sort of like thin under all of this fluff, so you could do a lot of different things with it. But yeah, this is amazing, definitely one of my favorites. Then next we have this crop little sweater, jumper, whatever you want to call it. Obviously I sized up in this, so it is very big. If you don't want it to be big, obviously don't size up. But it's so soft and just comfy and loungy and snuggly. So this is what this looks like. Then next we have the joggers. I feel like you can't see them very well on here honestly, but joggers are kind of just joggers. They've got pockets, they're super velvety and soft. They've got little ankle cuffs. They've got a tie up here, so you can do them tighter or looser if you want to. Looking back, I probably shouldn't have sized up on these because they are like really big, but they're just nice and loungy and comfy. And then last but not least, we have the jacket. So it is a little bit misshapen because it's been in the packaging for so long. Hopefully that will flatten out soon. But it's super fluffy. It's fluffy all around the back as well. And it's got these long fuzzy arms, and up here lots of different buckles, zipped pockets. These are actually real pockets, little popper ones, and there is one up here too. And yeah, it's super thick and like padded and warm and snuggly and amazing, so I will definitely be wearing this pretty much all of winter now, I think. So yeah, that was everything that I got from KILLSTAR. Thank you so much to them for sending this to me. I absolutely loved everything. I will put all of the information for them down below and all the items in case you want to go and check them out. And I hope you liked the video. If you did, please subscribe and I will see you soon. Bye guys.